Hello, I'd like to show you how to do crimping. Now I've got a selection of crimping tools here, all different patterns, and I'd just like to show you the technique. So crimping works really well on sugar paste. It also works really well on marzipan. So we have different patterns on the ends. So this one, as you can see, is a diamond shape, and this crimper has got elastic band around it. Now that is entirely up to you, and what I suggest you do is practice with elastic band and without to see what technique you like. So the purpose of the elastic band is it stops it opening too wide. I prefer without, so I'm just pushing it to the back. So when you do the crimping, you hold your tool slightly apart, only slightly apart. You push it into the sugar paste, you pinch it together, open it slightly and let go. And I can do that all the way down the board. So you can see there, it's given me a pattern. Got others. So you hold it open a little way, you push it into the sugar paste, you squeeze the sugar paste together, and then you open it a little bit and let go. So this looks nice around the edge of a board, it looks nice around the edge of a cake, it looks good on Battenbergs. I'll just show you the different patterns you can do. So we've got a number. Now you can see how quick it is. It's really quick, really effective. I can't find anything else. They do need to join up. So when you've done one pattern, it needs to join up with the next one. So the two look like a continuous pattern. This one is a wavy line. And it's knowing how far to hold the crimping tool. This is a straight one, so you can alter it and go around. So it's how much pressure to put on it, and that comes with practice. So what I recommend you do first is just have a little experiment on a piece of sugar paste. Now if you use the tool and you let it go while it's on, it can make a mess. So what I've done there is squeezed it and let it fully expand before I lift away. What you do need to do is close it up, open it a little way and then come away, so you can see the difference with that. Another mistake you can do is you might pinch too hard. So you might pinch, forget to release and pull it up, and you can see that also gives the wrong pattern. But it just comes with practice. Now putting it around the edge of the board is a good way of finishing off the edge of a board. So you've just got to remember to include the whole of the pattern. So you can see there that I'm including the whole of the scallop. Now if you do make a mess of it, there's, you know, if you make a mistake, not a mess, but make a mistake, it is difficult to get rid of that pattern. You might need to cover your board again. And you can see I'm turning the board so that the board is on, it's at the front all the time. If I start working around the edge, I can't be in control of it. And you do need to be in control. So turning all the time. And I can go all the way around. The difficult part is when you come to finish. And so here, if you can see, I've got a small gap in between, so I just need to finish that section off. There we go. Okay, so that's crimping skills.